Guys, check it out. 1971 Chevelle 350. Power steering, power brakes. It's got an automatic transmission. Runs and drives excellent. It's got the SS badges. Not a true SS. Nonetheless, it's a nice car. Overall shows very well. Undercarriage is clean. It's sitting on some nice tires with the rally wheels. On the inside, we have upgraded aftermarket seats. We also have a working cowl induction hood, which is pretty cool. Body's clean, exterior's nice. We got one little scratch on the bumper right here. That was my fault, actually. But besides that, we have no issues. Exterior's in nice shape. Trunk has a couple little nicks there, but the trunk sits good. Quarters are nice. Interior's nice. Tires are in good shape. Pull out the key. I'm going to show you guys the trunk, and I'll show you under the hood. Nice clean trunk, all solid. I really like because they did the cowl induction hood to it. It makes the car show really well. And I like because it actually works. It's not just for looks. It's actually practical. But got what looks like a newer 350. And it does, like I said, have power brakes. It's got power steering. This looks like a new alternator hood, which is cool. We'll shut this. Also, if you look on the undercarriage is nice and clean all the way. The frame looks good, undercarriage looks good. We have 3D racing seats on the inside. Looks like new carpet. We do have some newer gauges, temperature gauge, oil pressure. Guys, give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. This one's available. 35,000 buys it. We can finance it for you for between $3,000 to $5,000 down, and we offer free shipping. Home of the free shipping on all classic cars you buy from us. Appreciate you guys checking out our page. God bless the USA. Veterans, you get a $1,000 discount. So remember, if you're a veteran, let me know, and I'll give $1,000 off this car.